So, what we're going to do is we're just going to talk a little bit about this wheel here, all about the link between fractions, decimals and percentages, and how we convert between one and another. So here we have fractions. How do we change a fraction to a decimal? We do the numerator divided by the denominator. So we do the numerator divided by the denominator, and we can just put that in our calculator. Then, how do we change a decimal into a percentage? All we do is just multiply it by 100. Likewise, how do we change a percentage back to a decimal? Whatever the percentage is, we divide it by 100. Finally, how do we change a percentage to a fraction? To change a percentage to a fraction, we write the percentage over 100 and then we simplify. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of them here. Okay, so if say for example, here we have 3/5. Okay, and what we're now going to do is we're going to change 3/5 into a decimal. So all we do is we just do 3 divided by 5 on our calculator. When we do that, that's going to give us 0.6. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to change a decimal into a percentage. So to change a decimal into a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So that's going to give us 60%. Okay, so now we say, all right, so maybe how do we change the decimal into a percentage? Multiply it by 100. So we can multiply this by 100, so that's going to give us 24%. How do we change a percentage back to a decimal? A percentage to a decimal, we divide by 100. 0.85. Fantastic. Now, how do we change a percentage to a fraction? So what we do is it's 85%, so we write 85 over 100. And now we say, but can we simplify that fraction? Yes, we can. It's really easy. If we enter 85 over 100 on our calculator and press equals, it will do it for us. So alternatively, we could say, no, let's not do it on a calculator, but we probably will. So we enter 85 over 100, we press equals, and that's going to give us 17 over 20. Okay, and then just to be sure, we say, okay, hang on, what's 17 over 20 from a fraction to a decimal? 17 divided by 20 is 0.85. I'll just do one more. Let's just say, for example, here's another fraction, another percentage, sorry. So say, for example, we've got 48%. So that's going to be 0.48. And again, that's going to be 48 over 100. That's a good start. And then when we enter it as a fraction and press equals, that's going to give us 12/25. To finish off, this wheel here would look great in a summary book. It's something that you can keep coming back to link the fraction and the decimal and the percentage. Okay, all three of them are linked together.